Hey guys, I bet you're sick of me today. I feel like my last video kind of was a big blunder because I didn't have my numbers right. I was just excited and I wanted to talk, and I don't know. I was like, I gotta redo this and do this right so it makes more sense, so it is worth sharing so you can share it with other people. And I wanted to talk about return on investment, also known as ROI. And in the world of business, business is all about return on investment. And I want you guys to kind of grasp this to understand why it is so important for you to charge what you are worth so that you can actually make money, right? Hi girls, hi Kat, hi Yasmin, thanks for joining me. Why is this so important? It's so that you can have a profitable business. So I did some numbers here. I'm not a mathematician. I tried to do them on the fly last time and I completely screwed them up and looked like a total idiot. Had to come out into the car because the family's home. It's too loud in the house. I'm like, okay, plus there's better lighting in the car. So, you know, makeup artists are all about our lighting. Anyway, so let's talk a little bit about return on investment. First of all, what is the return? Return is your profit and how much you make after your overhead, right? So this is the money that you're bringing home. So we got that down. And then the investment is how much it costs you to do business. So what are some things that cost you to be a makeup artist? Anybody got any ideas? Like product, the makeup in your kit, education. Let's talk about the time, how much time it takes you per hour, per minute, you know, to do a client. And then there's also travel, gas money, there's babysitting, there's all this overhead that costs you to do your job. So right now I really want to talk to those makeup artists out there that are doing personal civilian clients like brides, special events, personal clients, everyday women, men, whatever, that, you know, we charge, you know, per session. So let's say it costs you $15 just to do one client, okay? And that's not including your time. That is gas money, that is product, that's a tiny bit of your education. That's sort of taking everything into consideration. So let's say it costs you $15 per client, okay? So, hi Lisa, I'm starting over again. So it costs you about $15. And let's say it takes you 1 hour to do one client, okay? So let's say you charge $25 per client. You just made $10 an hour. I think I would rather do something else for a living. You can work it in and out and make more money making $12 an hour flipping burgers and being nice to people than charging $25 per client, right? That's not a very good return on investment. No, thank you. So let's say I'm going to charge $150 per client, okay? But you're going to tell me, but if I only charge, you know, $25 per client, I'm going to have more clients. You can have all those $25 clients. I'm good. I don't need those people. Don't need them. Don't care about them. If all they have is $25 for, you know, a session with me, then they don't need to be my client. No offense to you people out there, but you can't afford me. So I'm going to charge $150 per client, right? So let's say I have 3 clients per week. That means I make $450 per week, right? That's not too bad. 3 clients takes me an hour, takes each of us an hour. I work 3 hours that week and make $450. So, but you charge $25 per client, which means you have to do 18 hours. It takes you 18 clients to make $450 per week. You gotta have 18 clients to make the same amount of money. So I spent $45 in overhead to make $450. So my return is $405. Okay, you got that? Your investment at 18 people and $15 an hour was $270 an hour. It cost you $270 to have 18 clients in 1 week. You worked 18 hours, I worked 3. You only made $180 after your overhead. You gotta think about these things. So again, you made $10 an hour and you spent $270 on 18 clients, but you only charged $25. Here's the thing, people. You need to get paid what you're worth. We all do. This industry, we provide a service to people. We make them feel beautiful. We give them an artistic spin on the application of their makeup. We do things for them that they can't do for themselves. We are a luxury service, so charge luxury prices. It's okay. It's okay to have 3 clients rather than 18. I would rather have 3 clients at $150 per client than 18 clients at $25. I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? That's right. Our cosmetics are not cheap. We have overhead. People think you stock your kit once and that's it. No. And here's the thing with kind of the Instagram makeup. The return on investment can't be there because those people wear a ton of makeup. I mean, just the foundation bill alone has got to be insane. So, I don't know. I don't put a lot of foundation on a lot of my clients because people come to me for more of the no makeup, minimal makeup look. There's so many reasons that you all need to get into clean minimal makeup. I mean, just the fact that it's beautiful and it gets you work isn't enough. But so, thanks for listening to me again and letting me redo this so that it made a little bit more sense, sounded a little bit more businesslike, and the lighting is better in my car anyway, so I'll take it where I can get it. But so that's your Makeup Artist Biz vid for today. And I promise I won't delete this one. Hopefully it's worth sharing, and we'll get people thinking about charging the right amount of money, raising your rates, getting what you're worth, and keeping our industry going, okay? So you guys have a good evening. Happy Friday. It's Friday night. I hope you're all going out and having a good time. I'm going to go and be with my family, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everyone.